Just a question, I should know the answer to it. Is there a lot of variation among the contracts that you have with individual providers at present?
Ranking member, there's great variation. And so VA holds the contracts with the TPAs, who are our payment vendor. Our payment vendors hold the contracts with the individual healthcare providers. And there are great variations in that. Some of those variations are good things. They're regional variations. How we're going to provide care in Connecticut is going to be very different than rural Montana, for example. But some of those are because we've got different systems, different requirements. That makes it very difficult to administer. And that's why in this contract with the multiple award IDIQ, the ability to have national vendors and regional vendors who serve with VA, it allows us to use vendors that have specialty, have networks in an area that may not have it in another, but that may be able to improve the quality of care and the cost of care that veterans receive. So that's the intent of this. That's the point behind the multiple award IDIQ.
So the next generation of contracts will have some variation as well?
Variation is not a bad thing. Variation adopted to the needs of the community, to the infrastructure, to the needs of the veterans, including VA infrastructure, where we have VAMCs, where we have clinics, where we don't. Variation is not necessarily a bad thing. Having a program that can be flexible, that can do different things, managed in a different way in a rural area versus an urban area, that's the ability we have in this contract that we currently don't have in the existing community care contract.
But the variation may be to accommodate specific needs in different communities, but the standards should be uncompromising, correct?
Senator, the standards should be the same and the goals should be the same. And the goal is the highest quality of care for veterans at the lowest cost to the taxpayer.
And the oversight should be as rigorous in contracts in Connecticut, Montana, all around the country.
Senator, VA is committed to building the program management capabilities to ensure that we can operate a contract of this size and complexity and be accountable for it.
Thank you. Thanks.